Hello guys, um, I'm back on this channel and currently I am in this trade at the moment now. So this is spot gold and I've currently taken a long trade. So I'll just show you basically what exactly I'm looking for. So this is my area of interest at the moment now. Now I should have taken a short trade, but price have actually gone down without me. So what I'm looking for at the moment now is for price to come back to this area, around about 2630 price, and then I'll take the short. So yeah, so this is how I trade. Transparency, full transparency, no indicators. I haven't been trading on YouTube for a very long time, but I've been trading in the background. I've been trading for a very long time. If you look at my YouTube, but the very first trade that I made on YouTube, that was back in 2009 or 2010. I can't remember. So that means I've been trading for a very long time. And then I abandoned YouTube and I've been trading in the background. And people have been saying, where have you been? You need to be trading. You need to teach us how to trade. I've been teaching people how to trade, really. But I haven't been posting it on YouTube because I just find it was some sort of distraction for me to be able to with the noise and everybody on YouTube and then join the bandwagon. I just decided to trade on my own. But now, okay, so I'm gonna be showing my trades now, before and after. No big deal. You see the losses and you see the wins. So all I have to say is just be careful out there. There's a lot of channels, big channels out there that are actually trying to show you how to trade, and then they're flashy and they will tell you that they've made tons of money, and they'll show you their cars and their houses, but they're selling a they're selling a course. But I haven't got anything to say about that really. I only know about me, and I know about what I can do. So all I have to do is just be careful out there, guys. So if you like my style, this is my area of interest, and this is where I'm gonna take my trade. We'll be explaining with further in other videos. I'll be explaining how I take my trade, what I look at, what I look for. It's very simple. You would not believe how simple my trading is. I've been there, done that. I've used different indicators, different robots, bots, AIs, everything, and I've just come back full circle to what works. And basically, it's just price. Price works for me. All I do is draw my support and resistance, and I wait for candlestick patterns. I look for candlestick patterns to go long or short. I can't believe I went back to this, and that's what's been working. Guys, if you want to trade simply, if you want to learn from me, I'm not selling anything really. I'm just having fun while I've decided to start having fun while I trade. If you want to join and have a look at how I trade, I'll be showing you other trades that I've made as well, and I'll try and do it live. At least you see the before. I might cut it and then you see the after. So if you want someone that's going to give you full transparency and you want to learn something very simple, there aren't any indicators on this chart. No indicators whatsoever. I have other strategies that I might use one or two indicators, but for my main strategy, no indicators whatsoever. And that's the one that's most powerful. And I can actually literally teach this strategy to a 10-year-old, and it's really, really powerful. So, guys, join me, have fun. If you want to learn, that's cool. If you want to see how I'm trading, that I make many, many losses, many, many. I try to keep them small, and I make wins as well. At the end of the day, at the end of the week, and at the end of the month, that's what counts. And most times, in the profit, and I can show you all the different ways that I trade. So join me. Now, what I'm looking for right now is I'm waiting for price to go back to this position, this area. If it doesn't, that's fine. I don't chase the market. If it goes without me, that's fine. There's always another day. There's always another trade, and if it comes back, I will take the trade short. So, guys, that's it. And I might be looking for some reevaluation of the market around about this area here. And then probably looking at the bigger picture of the daily charts. This is the 1 hour chart. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at on the spot gold right now. Join this channel, and I've got so too many things that I've learned over the last decade. How long is 2008 till now? I don't know, over a decade. So anyway, that's me, and we'll speak soon.